Meet the Huawei Mate 80 Ultra, the phone that's turning heads worldwide. With a bold design, powerhouse performance, and next-gen camera magic, this device isn't just another flagship. It's Huawei's strongest statement yet. The Mate 80 Ultra comes wrapped in a premium glass metal body, curved edges, and colors that catch the light beautifully. Up front, a massive 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display, 2K resolution, and a silky 144Hz refresh rate, built for smooth scrolling, gaming, and binge-watching in style. Under the hood, Huawei packs its latest Kirin 9100 chip, 5G support, and AI optimization that keeps everything fast yet power efficient. Pair that with 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage, and you've got desktop-class performance in your pocket. Battery life? A huge 5800 mAh cell with 120-watt wired and 80-watt wireless charging. Zero battery anxiety. Now, the cameras. Huawei is calling this the Ultra Vision System, a 200-megapixel main sensor, periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom, and an ultra-wide lens built for landscapes. Low-light shots look stunning, 8K video recording is here, and the selfie cam gets a 50-megapixel upgrade. If you're into mobile photography, this is your dream kit. So, is the Huawei Mate 80 Ultra the ultimate flagship of 2025? It just might be. Cutting-edge display, monster battery, and cameras that redefine mobile photography. This phone means business. Would you switch to Huawei for this beast? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic tech drops.